You don't need to be a vegetarian to love plant-based dishes like Alu Palak. As always, the full recipe and directions are listed in the description below. It all starts with the aromatics: a large onion, 6 to 8 cloves of garlic, and a piece of fresh ginger. For flavor and aesthetics, the final garnish includes cilantro, serrano peppers, and a squeeze of fresh lemon. Don't even talk to me about the stuff that comes in a single-use plastic container that looks like a lemon. I'm seasoning this dish with salt, red pepper, turmeric, coriander powder, crushed red pepper, and just before serving, a bit of garam masala. Click the link in the description below to see my garam masala video. I start by chopping up the onion, which I'll sauté in this 6-quart heavy-bottomed pot, along with about 1/3 cup of olive oil. While that's getting started on the stove, I peel and finely mince together the garlic and the ginger. Once the onion reaches the stage of starting to lightly brown, I add the garlic and the ginger, along with the salt and spices I mentioned earlier, with the exception of the garam masala, which I sprinkle over just before serving. Another spice I remembered here just now is the whole cumin seeds. Don't worry, all of this is in the description below. The aromatics and spices just need about 15 seconds to say hello. It's time for the potatoes. These are a medium-sized russet variety. I'm cutting them up into about 1/2-inch slices. The thinner the slice or dice, the faster the potatoes will be done. But because I want the potato and spinach to spend enough time to get to really know each other, I'm going on the thicker side so the potatoes won't be super mushy by the end. Because the potatoes take quite a bit longer than the spinach to cook, I'm giving them about a 5-minute head start, covered on medium-low heat. The spinach memes are true. It melts down to practically nothing. I'm using 2 bunches, thoroughly washed and roughly chopped. I stir it a bit to distribute the spinach so that it's not just the potatoes at the very bottom getting stuck on. After a few minutes of being covered on medium-low, it looks like this. I resisted adding any water because the spinach releases a decent amount of liquid, enough to keep things from sticking on. After about 25 minutes, it's perfect, and I'm ready to serve. I had some leftover rice, but it pairs perfectly with naan as well. Guess what? I have a link below for my naan recipe. All that's left is the finishing touches. I'm using the cilantro and green chillies, and the lemon really wakes everything up and takes the flavor to the next level. A bit of garam masala, and it's ready for the table. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.